Bear has one bear coin. Fish is rare. Coin is valuable. Fish is worth a lot. Bears have more bear coins. Fish is still limited. Fish price goes up. That's inflation. Bears use bear coins to buy fish. One fish equals one bear coin. Bank bear prints more money. All bears have more coins. Bears are happy. They rush to the fish market. But fish doesn't increase. Bears compete. Fish price shoots up. Now one fish costs 2 bear coins. Same fish, just more expensive. Coins lose value. Bears are sad. This is inflation. Inflation from too much buying. Demand pull. Bears have lots of money. Bears buy everything. Not enough fish. Price goes up. Inflation from high costs. Cost push nets get more expensive. Fuel gets pricier. Catching fish costs more, so fish prices rise too. Inflation from printing money. Monetary bank bear prints too much. Fish doesn't grow, but prices still rise. In summary, too much money, prices rise. Too little money, prices drop. One fish now needs more coins. That's inflation in the bear kingdom.